Tignan niyo. Oh, wow, niligin. Habang nililingi. Nag-awas, guys. Ano? Kita na. Ay, yan yung papa ko, guys. Lalaki, guys. Yan yung papa ko. Mama ko abroad. Daddy?
Because it is illegal for any government officer to accept money from private persons, Your Honor.
Tara, guys.
The person
Tara. Daddy! Uban ko, guys.
ayun na lagi. May klase. Kapag wang.
Yan. Ninong ko, yan. Yan yung ninong ko naka-white.